If I was to describe the Maxwell Lecture Theatre in a word, it would be understated because of its history, really. I mean, it's not every day you find out that one of the places you're working in had so much value to the world of science, or to the world even. It's relatively young for a Cambridge University building. As part of the Old Cavendish Laboratories, the Maxwell Lecture Theatre was founded in 1871 by James Maxwell, who not many people know was the original creator of the electromagnetic theory, essentially the first theory for defining electricity. It's not only electricity, it's J.J. Thomson's discovery of the electron, Ernest Rutherford's splitting of the atom and verifying Einstein's equation E=mc², DNA even from Francis Crick and James Watson. All these discoveries shaped the world for what it is today, really pushing on this idea of discovery. But that's the beauty of the Maxwell, it's not changed at all. It's a time capsule, a step into history. Everything from the wooden bleachers, the doors, the tables at the front for experiments, it's all as it was all those years ago. But that comes with challenges for the present day. Firstly, it's a Victorian space, and the Old Cavendish Laboratory being a grade-listed building for state-of-the-art teaching technology for audiovisual components, say a projector or a PA system. The big windows and high ceiling make it difficult to complement modern teaching requirements. On top of that, heating, lighting, dust and wheelchair access from an estate's perspective illustrates a different set of requirements altogether to bring it up to a standard of a modern lecture theatre. What's great is the interest in spaces like Maxwell for amazing initiatives such as the Old Cavendish experience, where the idea is to bring back the history into spaces like the Maxwell, with actors dressing up as Crick and Watson discovering the DNA through interacting with the general public, educating them on all these amazing discoveries right on your doorstep in Cambridge, but also putting investment back into the lecture theatre for potential refurbishment of the lecture theatre equipment and electronics. Despite it being one of the younger buildings in the ranks of old buildings at Cambridge, the Maxwell is also one of the oldest lecture theatres. The ideal future for the Maxwell would be to see future students of physics and science even having more lectures or practical experiments in the space, as it was designed back in the day, really putting back the legacy of discovery into the Old Cavendish building and the Maxwell Lecture Theatre.